Devastating floods hit Italy's northern region. Officials are warning residents to get to higher ground amid fears that rain-swollen rivers would again burst their banks. Now, days of heavy rain stretch across a broad area of northern Italy as well as the Balkans, where floods, landslides, and evacuations were also reported in Croatia, Bosnia, and Slovenia. So far, 24 towns have been evacuated as a result. 50,000 people are without electricity, and more than 100,000 are without cell phone service.
Sì.